How are you? I think you are fine, all of you. I am Neela ma'am. Today going to teach you chapter number 11. Okay, that is profit and loss. Okay, please open your book. Today I am taking word problems on profit percentage and loss percentage. Okay, so first of all, please open your book. Exercise 11.1. I am taking question number 8 today. Question number 8 is here. By selling a bicycle for rupees 2024, the shopkeeper loses 12%. If he wishes to make a gain of 12%, what should be the selling price of the bicycle? So, here what is given to you? Please read the problem. Yes, here you are given selling price of a bicycle, that is rupees 2024. We don't know at what price that bicycle was purchased by the shopkeeper. Only selling price is given and loss is given to us. So we will first of all get cost price of a bicycle. Cost price will be is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Okay, so substitute here given values here, selling price into 100, we are going to get cost price of the bicycle. So 100 minus loss percentage is how much? It is 12. Now simplify 2024 into 100 divided by yes, 100 minus 12, how much? It is 88. Okay, 88. Now simplify, be quick. As you know, you are going to get that cost price, it will be in rupees. Okay, so please simplify quickly. Make a table of 4, 4 2 ja, 4 2 ja, 425. Then table of 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja 4. Okay, then simplify. Here 11 9 ja 99 and 2 11 2 ja 22. Then multiply 92 into 25. Please multiply 92 by 25. What are you getting? Hiya, what are you getting? Yes. Are you getting rupees 2300? Okay. Whenever you are going to watch video, please do the calculation along with me. Okay. So cost price of that bicycle is rupees 2300. Now it is asked if that shopkeeper wants to get 12% gain. 12% gain. Okay. So here gain, how much he wants to get here? Gain. If he wishes to make gain 12%, then selling price of the bicycle will be. Now here CP with us is rupees 2300. Okay. Then gain percentage, how much he wants? Gain 12%. Okay. So we will get CP is rupees 2300 and gain is 12%. So gain will be how much? 12% of rupees 2300. It will be 12 upon 100 into 23. How much gain he has got? 12 into 23. Please multiply 12 by 23. What you are getting? Please do fast. It is rupees 276. Rupees gain is rupees 276. Then if he wishes to make 12% gain, then the selling price of the bicycle will be selling price of bicycle will be cost price plus gain. Cost price plus gain. Gain it is, cost price was rupees 2300 and gain is rupees 276. So add. It is rupees 2576. Okay. So gain is rupees 2576. Okay. Now let's take question number 9. Question number 9, please note down. Question number 9 is here. A dealer sold 2 machines at rupees 2400 each. On selling one machine, he gained 20%, and on selling the other, he lost 20%. Find the dealer's net gain or loss percentage. Here we are given selling price of both of the machines, and on selling one machine he gained 20% and on selling other he lost rupees 20%. So in both the cases we will first of all get the cost price of the machines. Here selling price of 2 machines at rupees 2400 each is given. Means selling price of first machine is rupees 2400 and gain is here, gain percentage is 20. So selling price of a machine, now question number 9. Selling price of a machine it is rupees 2400. Okay, and for selling first machine, gain percent it is here, gain percent is how much? It is 20. Okay, so we will get first of all cost price, then selling price into 100 upon 100 plus gain percentage. In this way, first of all you will get the cost price of first machine. Then substitute the values in this formula. Selling price into 100 divided by 100 plus gain percentage. So please substitute the value here to get the cost price of first machine. So cost price will be, selling price it is 2400 into 100 divided by 100 plus 20. Gain is 20%. So 2400 into 100 divided by 120. So simplified. Got 2 zeros is 2 zeros. Here 1 0 with 1 0. 12 1 is 1. 12 2 is 24. So cost price of first machine it is rupees 2000. Now as the shop that dealer is getting 20% loss, 20%, so that loss on selling the other machine. Okay, on selling the other machine. In this here we will get again the cost price of the machine. So selling price of second machine, selling price of, you can write first machine. Now selling price of second machine, it is, and loss percentage it is again 20. Loss percentage is again 20%. So cost price will be cost price will be is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Okay, loss percentage. So put values. Selling price is rupees 2,400. Selling price is rupees 2,400 into 100 divided by 100 minus loss is here 20%. So subtract 20 from 100. When loss is there, you will subtract loss from 100. When gain is there, you will add gain percentage in 100 to get cost price. Okay. So here it is rupees 2,400 multiplied by 100 divided by 80. Okay, divided by 80. So simplify. So simplify. Cut 1 0 with 1 0. Now 8 1 8. 8 3 24. So the cost price of second machine is rupees 3,000. It is rupees 3,000. Okay. Now total cost price. First of all, we will write here total selling price of two machines. It is rupees 2,400 plus rupees 2,400. It is equal to 4,000 rupees 4,800. Okay. Okay. So selling price of two machines, it was rupees 2,400 plus rupees 2,400. It is total selling price of two machines. It is rupees 4,800 now. Now here cost price of two machines. It is for first machine. It was the cost price of first machine was rupees 2,000 and cost price of other machine rupees 3,000. Okay. Now add. Now cost price is rupees 5,000 and selling price is rupees 4,800. Now compare cost price and selling price. Which is greater? Yes, which is greater? Cost price is more than the selling price. So in this case, what will be there? Which situation will be there? Yes. Which situation will be there? Hello? There will be loss. Here cost price is more than the selling price. So there will be loss. There will be loss. So cost price is greater than selling price. So cost price is rupees 5,000 is greater than rupees 4,800. So there will be loss. How much loss? Loss will be calculated by subtracting selling price from cost price. Okay. So rupees 5,000 minus rupees 4,800. It is rupees 200. Okay. In the question, it is given to find net loss or gain in percentage. Question is find the dealer's net gain or loss percentage. Dealer's net loss percentage. Dealer's net loss percentage is equal to how much? Loss divided by cost price into 100%. Okay. Then loss, how much loss? It was rupees 200 and cost price it was rupees 5,000 into 100. Okay, write percentage along with this. You are getting loss in percentage. So cut 2 0 with 2 0, 1 0 with 1 0. So 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. So 4% loss is how much? 4% loss. Okay. So loss is 4%. Okay. And you will write homework as homework. You will do exercise 11.1, question number 6, 7 and 10. Okay. Question number 6, 7 and 10. You will do yourself. This is the homework. Okay. So mask yourself. Okay. Stay alert, stay healthy and keep proper distance from each other and be protected from COVID-19. Okay. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you.